When you think of insurance, protecting your car, house, and loved ones may come to mind first. Renter's insurance, however, is not the one that tops the list, but you may want to rethink that. WBKB's Stephanie Minichi has more.
Renter's insurance is not something people typically think about when living in an apartment or renting a home. One misconception renters have is that their personal property is covered by the landlord's insurance. Local State Farm President TJ Hose says not having renter's insurance could result in the loss of important everyday items.
A big one these days is electronics, computers, phones, tablets, flat screen TVs. You add those things up and you can have a pretty substantial amount of money invested in your place of residence.
Hose says you can do everything right and your neighbor does something wrong, which can result in displacement. State Farm owner Samuel Rumble cites an example when self-cleaning a stove went wrong.
When you're self-cleaning a stove, it locks the door on you. So it wasn't that it burned the house down or anything, but they could not put out this fire quickly enough to prevent it from filling the whole house with smoke.
Rumble says because of their renter's insurance, lodging, food, and travel expenses were covered. Community Risk Reduction Officer Andy Marceau recently responded to a fire that left the tenants displaced.
They had rental insurance. That is another big thing that, you know, as the owner of the home has homeowner's insurance, but the renters need to have rental insurance to protect all their goods inside the home.
Ho says with a traditional renter's policy, you have personal property coverage, liability, medical, and loss of use, which covers displacement. He says that you can get coverage for as little as $1 a day. In Alpena, Stephanie Minichi, WBKB News.